Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and peace be upon us all. Honorable Mr. Roni Fasla, SPD, MM, Head of the Digital Office Administration Study Program, and Honorary Miss Dr. Munawaro SA, MSE, my reverse supervisor. My name is Windy Febrianti with student ID number 1712423012. I am a student of the Digital Office Administration BCOR program, Faculty Economy, Jakarta State University. Today, I am pleased to present my final internship report, which carried out at the General Affairs Subdivision of the Department of Food Security, Marine Affairs, and Agricultural of DKI Jakarta Province. Through this presentation, I would like to share the activity, experience, and knowledge that I gained during my internship. Thank you very much your attention. Now I will begin my presentation. On this slide, I would like to introduce my internship information. I complement my internship at the Department of Food Security, Marine Affairs, and Agricultural of the Jakarta Province, specifically in the General Affairs Subdivision. The internship was conditioned for approximately 4 months from January 50 to April 20, 2026. During this period, I was directly involved in various office administration activity, including recommend, record management, correspondence administration, data entry and verification, and document digitalization. These activities provide with follow the practical experience and help me improve both my administrative skill, my understanding of office administration in a government entity. Next, table of contents. Number one, background. Number two, objective. Number three, organization profile. Number four, organization structure. Number five, internship activity. Number six, job analysis. Number seven, challenge and solution. Number eight, development and competence. Number nine, conclusion and recommended. Number 10, documentation. Now let's move on the next slide, which explain the background of my internship. Practical internship is on the academic program designed to provide students with real work experience and the opportunity to apply the knowledge and skill get during that students. Therefore, I complement my internship at the Department of Food Security, Marine Affairs, and Agricultural of DKI Jakarta Province, specifically in the General Affairs Subdivision. During the internship, I was involved in various office administration activities, including record management, correspondence administration, and document digitization. Through this experience, I gained a better understanding of the administration system in a government institution while improving my professional skill and preparing myself for the workplace. Next, I will explain the objective of my internship. Number one, gain real work experience. Number two, apply administration knowledge. Number three, to enhance competence. Number four, to understand the organization's work culture. Number five, prevent to enter the workforce. Now let's continue to the next slide where I will introduce the organization where I complement my internship. The Department of Food Security, Marine Affairs and Agriculture of DKI Jakarta Province or DKPKP is a regional government agency that supports the governor of DKI Jakarta in managing food security, marine affairs, fisheries, agriculture, and livestock. Its main functional include developing policies, providing public service, managing administration resources, and monitoring and evaluating government programs to ensure they are implemented effectively. DKPKP is responsibility for several key sectors, including food security, which ensure the availability and safety of foods, marine after with fisheries, which focus on the sustainable management of marine resources, agriculture, waste support, development and production, and livestock waste contribution to meeting the community for needs. Now let's move on the next slide. We saw the organization structure of the institution. The slides show the organization structure of the Department of Food Security, Marine Affairs, and Agricultural of DKI Jakarta provides. During my internship, I was assigned to the General Affairs Subdivision, which is a part of the Secretariat. The General Affairs Subdivision is responsibility for supporting the administrative activity of the department. This my responsibility include managing incoming and outgoing correspondence, maintaining record and archive, handling general administrative tasks, and providing administrative support and to all division within the organization. During my internship, I was directly involved in several of these activities and simply record management, correspondence, administration, data entry, then verification, and document digitalization. This experience helped me understand how administration process support the daily operational of a government entity. One of my main responsibility during the internship was managing archival disposal proposal record. The workflow began by collecting the archive file from the strong room based on my supervisor introduced. Next, I record the archive information in a spreadsheet, including the classification code, document dates, year, subject, department, folder number, and box number. After the data entry process, I verified the information by comparing the spreadsheet with the physical document to ensure in accuracy. Finally, the file were organized to into folder and archive box according to the classification system, and the document were reviewed to determine whether they were eligible for the archival disposal process. Test work helped ensure that the record were well organized, easy to retrieve, and properly documented. Another responsibility during my internship was correspondence administration. The process began by recording incoming and outgoing letter in the correspondence logbook to ensure that every document was properly documented. Next, I prepared control card for incoming letter and disposition forms for outgoing letter as part of the administrative control process. When required, I also stamp official document according to the office procedure. Finally, after the letter were delivered to the approved departments, I called the recipient's signature as proof of recipients. This workflow helped me ensure that all correspondence was well organized, properly documented, and easy to track whenever needed. Another task that I provided during my internship was document digitalization and duplication. The workflow began by receiving documents from the related department for scanning or photocopy. Next, I scan it or photocopy the document using the appropriate office equipment. Other than I check the quality of the scanned document to ensure that all information was clear, complete, and readable. Finally, the digital file were sent to the related department through WhatsApp, allowing the document to be delivered more quickly and efficiently. This process helped improve document accessibility and communication with it of the organization. Now, I would like to explain to analysis of the text improvement during my internship. The activity performance during my internship can be divided into three main sites. The first was record management, was focused on organizing, verification, and storing archives systematic. This process is important because it makes document easier to retrieve and reduce the risk of miscollection or data loss. The second tool was correspondence administration with improved recording letter, preparing administration document, and distributing official correspondence. This activity help maintain and organize them trackable communication process. The threat was document digitalization on duplication where I scan on photocopy document before checking their quality and sending the digital file to the relevant department. This process improves efficiency while ensuring that information was delivered accurately. The test activity and learned that query, attention to detail, and responsibility are essential in administration work because even small mistakes can affect the overall effectiveness on, of organization operational. During my internship, I encouraged several challenges that become valuable learning experience. The first challenge was an unstable internet connection, which affected the process of entering data into the cloud-based spreadsheet. To overcome this, I continue working offline and synchronize the data once the connection was restored. In the future, a more reliable network infrastructure could further improve work efficiency. The second challenge was the large volume of archive records. I addressed this by organizing the work into clear states and setting daily targets. A digital archive management system called my is process faster and more efficient. Another challenge three was the poor physical condition of some archive documents. I carefully verified the information and covered my supervisor whenever necessary. Regular discussion and further presentation would help maintain document quality over time. The final challenge was the risk of data entry error because the process was formatted manually. To minimize mistakes, I reviewed the data carefully and verified in what the physical document in the long term. Automate validation and standardization data entry produce work improve both accuracy and efficiency. Prioritize experience. I learned that accuracy, adaptability, and continuous improvement are essential for maintaining effective, effective administration work in a government institution. Next slide, development for the organism. Number one, networking expense. Number two, RC digitation. Number three, SOP. Number four, archiving system. For academic program, number one, internship orientation. Number two, training. Number three, case-based learning. And competency accurate. Number one, hard skill. Number one, digitalisasi, arsip management, correspondency, spreadsheet. And that's soft skill, responsibility, communication, collaborative, accuracy, discipline. Based on my internship experience, I can calculate that this program provides valuable practical experience in understanding administrative process with a government institution, especially in record management, correspondency management, correspondency administration, and document digitalization. In addition to improving my technical skill, this internship also helped me develop communication skill, discipline, responsibility, and adaptive ways are essential for my future career. For future improvements, I would like to offer several recommendations. For internship, I recommend improving in internet network, developing a more internet digital archive system, and enhancing the existing standard operational SOP. For this study program, I suggest providing more pre-internship preparing, offering training in digital record management, and integrating practice-based learning to better prepare students for the professional workplace. And thank you for your attention. This is the end of my presentation. And thank you. Bye bye. Gak jelas, jir.